A very important trade that we wanted to look out for is an FTR, a failure to return after a big engulf. Now you'll see here on the weekly chart we have our lows here, we have a flag limit in here, then we have an engulf, we break the low of that, and then price tries to get back in and fails to get back in. That's your FTR. And look at the reaction that we had when price got back to it. Here again we have lows here, we have an engulf of them, we have an FTR then, price tries to get back in, and see what happens when price gets back there. It goes from the FTR down to demand. And after this engulf, of course, where did price go to? It went to the FTR here at demand. Now over here we also have a set of lows here, and we have an engulf of these lows, even an engulf of this flag limit here, and price fails to return. So we will always look for shorts in there. So we look for the origin of the move. Here's daily. Here is a wonderful supply, here it's engulfed, here's the failure to return. So we'll take a look inside there and see where we'll want to look for shorts from. This is the zone, and here is an ignored demand on it right at the zone. A lovely place to look for shorts. You can add shorts in there and up there as well. But let's say we were to take one here. Take another trade on the FTR there. Maybe our stop's above here. Let's see what's in the past. This was a lovely FTR on here. We might have a fake out into this zone. So we put our stop loss just above there. So we put a new pending order. It's going to be a sell limit at 163.39. Stop loss 164.79 plus spread. We'll work out the take profit in a moment. And another sell limit at 163.78. Stop loss 1.643. Okay. Let's see that on the daily. Okay, good orders. Good. So let's see what happens. Price comes down to the FTR on there. Takes out this demand. You remember from another video we have this engulf here, and that is actually the target for the long on that. Price takes out this demand. Comes and fills our order. And we look back, have a look for our targets. Well, we've had an engulf of here. Our target would be this flag limit. There's no PA to exit yet. Price broke these demands, failed to return here. This is a flag limit here. And that is the end of the history on this chart. So right now there is a good profit running on this trade. It's 23% of the account. So good trading so far.